Learn with Tawfiq. What's the difference between the words who and whom? Who is used to ask about someone who is the subject of the verb or the preposition. Whom is used to ask about someone who is the object of the verb or the preposition. But luckily, there is a very easy way to remember this. If you can answer the question using he or she, then you can ask using who. If you can answer the question using him or her, then you should ask using whom. She is reading a book. Who is reading a book? I'm giving the book to him. To whom are you giving the book? I hope this helps.